Good morning, students. How are you? Today we are going to see a very interesting and moral story of Standard 6th. So, welcome in our Sangli Shikshana Samstha's YouTube channel. The name of the story is The Wild Boar and the Fox, and page number 7, activity 1.3. The wild animals and the domestic animals. We know the wild animals which lives in jungle such as tiger, elephant, boar, fox, and the domestic animals or pet animals such as bullock, buffalo, cat, dog. These are some examples of domestic animals. And today in this story we are going to learn about wild animals, and the name of the story is The Wild Boar and the Fox. The wild boar means a wild pig. So see what happened in this story. One day a wild boar was sharpening his tusk against the bark of a tree. He was doing it very carefully. There lived a fox in the same forest. He was always looking for a chance to make fun of other animals in the forest. When he saw the wild boar, he decided to tease him. He began to walk around the trees, looking left and right and up and down. He also began to act as if he was really scared. But the boar did not pay any attention to him. He kept right on with his work. See what happened in this jungle one day. One day the wild boar was sharpening his tusk. Tusk means a big teeth or long pointed teeth. Some animals have tusks such as boar, elephants. And he was sharpening his tusk. Means he was pointing that tusk. See children, when our pencil is blunt, what we do at that time? We sharp our pencil, hence it will work very properly, very efficiently. So the boar also sharpening his tusk, and he was doing it very carefully. And in that same forest there lived a fox, and we know that fox is very cunning animal. And when the fox saw the white boar, he decided to tease him. He decided to laugh at the boar. So he began to walk around the tree, looking left and right. He looked left and right. He looked up and down. And also he was acting that he was really frightened. He was really scared. But the boar did not pay any attention toward the fox. He kept right on with his work. See what happened in the next passage. At last the fox said with a grin, "Why are you doing that? I tried very hard, but I did not see any hidden enemy or danger." See, the fox smiled. Grin means smile, laugh. He smiled and said, he asked to the boar, that boar, why are you doing this work? Or why are you sharpening your tusk? I tried, I seen here, but there is no enemy hidden here, or there is no danger here. Then why are you sharpening your tusk now? See, the next passage is very important. What the answer has given the boar? True, replied the boar. Just now there may not be any danger, but when it really comes, there won't be any time to sharpen my tusk. My weapons have to be ready for use then. If I am not ready, I will have to suffer. See, the boar's answer is very important. See what the boar replied. He said, I know that there is nothing danger or there is no enemy hidden here, but then also I am sharpening my tusk, because if my weapon is not ready, how can I use it? If really the danger comes in front of me or the enemy come in front of me, I can't fight with the enemy, and at that time I have to suffer. So I am preparing for fight. See, the answer is very important. See now, what is the moral of this story? The story tells us that it is best to be prepared. Don't leave things to be done at the last minute. it is very important, children, that preparation is very important in each and everyone's life. So we should not leave things to be done at the last moment. See, what is the advantage of preparation? Why should we have to be ready always? We should have to be ready always because that it can manage our problems very quickly and more efficiently. So the preparation is very important. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.